happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that are here, at present, and that have passed. Happy Mother's Day, and truly I believe every single mother is special to every single person. So today I would like to say we are at the Life Church. Pastor Marie preached a wonderful, beautiful message, and we were honoured to actually have her speak today. We're so thankful and grateful to have her speaking and sharing the word of influencer. That's what she shared with us today. So be an influencer, be the light that our Jesus, who was an influencer, is still is today and forever. So be an influencer wherever you are. And happy Mother's Day. Love is important, and so is kindness. Love you all today. Happy Mother's Day.